Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to discuss you with some interview techniques, that is grooming before going for an interview. For any interview, either it is face-to-face interview or online interview, grooming is very important. So before moving to the video, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any video from this channel. Actually, what is grooming? Do you heard the word grooming? Grooming means dressing well to be presentable to others. You may want to give a little more attention to how you dress at work because what you wear may be substantially influencing your career path. Although nothing takes the place of talent, hard work, innate ability, and ambition, looking your professional best in the workplace can give you a competitive advantage. It simply means dressing in a way that projects an image of the sophisticated, successful working individual you are or would like to become. So now let us discuss for grooming for men. The first thing is shirts. As a rule, the simpler the better. So first thing, let us discuss about the colors. So usual colors, you can choose white, off-white, pale, blue shirts are preferred. Though you may wear dark colored shirts too. Given below are the colors preferred by professionals. You can look at some of the patterns that usually the people choose for the interview, and it is well organized and well standard. It is important to button up your shirt till the collar button. Kindly avoid thick strips and checks. I recommend do not wear these kinds of patterned shirts for your interview. Next, trousers. They should preferably be dark, though you may wear beige and with a dark colored shirt. Try to have at least one pair of black trousers. Trousers may or may not have pleats. Next is ties. To play it safe, choose a traditional silk tie. No loud colors or patterns. Given below are some well accepted colors and patterns. You can choose or you can opt for this type of patterns while for your next interview. It may be wise to avoid ties with images and designer logos. Your tie should coordinate with your attire. The knot should be a perfect triangle. Do not enter a clinic like this. Observe the tie and shirt's button. Now let us talk about socks. Choose a color that coordinate with your trousers, usually black, a dark gray, a dark brown or dark blue. Make sure they are long enough not to expose your skin when you sit down. As a thumb rule, do not wear white socks. Wear clean socks to avoid bad odor. Next important thing is shoes. Wear a good pair of leather shoes, black and brown or tan shoes. Shoes must be polished every day. Do not wear shoes that look casual. Also do not wear shoes with worn out heels. Now the important thing is belts. Wear only formal belts with a sleek buckle. As thumb rule, match your buckle to your shoes. So the color should be matching with your shoes. Avoid these craftsmanship buckles in your belts. Another important thing is watches. Preferably wear leather strapped watches. If you wear a metal strapped watch, make sure that it fits the wrist well. So these are some of the watch you can select while going for an interview. Get groomed and tuck in shirt. This is a well presentable manner for an interview. Suits for men. For men, a two-piece shirt suits in navy or another dark color is preferred. A tie in a simple pattern that matches the color of your suit. Button down dress shirts white or pastel. Polished dress shoes in a dark color. No earrings. If you normally wear one, take it out. Get a haircut. Short hair always fares best. Clean trimmed fingernails. minimal color, light briefcase or portfolio case. Now let us discuss grooming for women. What to wear for a job interview. You may wear a salwar, kameez or formal shirts or trousers. Preferably choose small prints or self colors. Avoid plunging necklace, sleeveless and tight-fitting clothes. You may wear a tunic with a pair of formal trousers. Suit for women, a neutral colored suit in a navy or another dark color with a skirt. Skirt length should be a little below the knee and never shorter than above the knee. Blouses should be cotton or silk, white or light pastel color. Pantyhose should be flawless, no runs and conservative in color. You may want to bring an extra pair with you. Basic pumps with 1 to 2 inch heel, no strappy sandals or platforms. Simple accessories, no visible body piercing, that is nose rings, eyebrows, rings, etc. Makeup should be minimal and in a conservative tones. Minimal coloring or perfume, light briefcase or portfolio case. Shoes or sandals. Shoes with 1.5 inch heels are standard. You may wear a pair with smaller heels or a flat pair. Stick with a black or brown pair. Be sure your shoes are polished and that your heels are intact. So these some of the shoes or sandals which are not recommended for your interviews are colorful sandals and sandals with bling and heels. Avoid white colored sandals as they get dirty easily if you do clean them well. So now important thing is about bags. Apart from your working bag, if you are carrying an additional bag, preferably carry a black or brown one. Accessories. Earrings. Wear stubs or small rings. Do not wear hoops or dangling earrings. Then the bracelets or bangles. You may wear either a bracelet or bangle. Avoid both. Avoid chunky bracelets or too many bangles. Rings. Keep them simple and not chunky. Chains. You may wear thin chains with small lockets. Do not wear ornamental or chunky jewelry even if it is an occasion. So thank you for watching this video. This is the end of this section and wish you all the best for your coming interview and a successful career ahead. Thank you.